Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. You know what time it is. It's the Cozy Corner tea time. I'm so glad you stopped by to see what we're sharing today. Today we have some beautiful crisp apples to eat, and we have some peanut butter sandwiches on cinnamon raisin bread for our little snack for we can hold over until dinner time. Tea time is always a great time to have a little bit of something to eat, but not to overload our stomachs, isn't it? And I turned the light on in the pumpkin for you could see how pretty it was. This is the same pumpkin that had the ghost coming out of the window. By turning it around, I made it into a total fall display. I thought it turned out good. I also bought a few more flowers from Dollar Tree, as you can see. I spent probably about $8 to add to what I already owned and had, so I didn't spend a lot, but there was about $8. The plates and the cups were bought at Home Goods probably a year or two ago. They're not new. The tray I bought this year, but it's been in prior post already. And the little tray that the apples are setting on, it also came from Home Goods also. The thing that holds the tea in the sweetener is something I've had for about 20 years, so that isn't new either. But I thought the display turned out beautiful. Let me know what you thought about it, if you liked it or not. I thought for the cozy corner it turned out really, really nice. It ended up being small, everything seemed to fit, and that's the whole thing about the cozy corner. And even if you just want to have the cups there and not even put any plates, that's fine too. You get up early in the morning, you have some little snack, and have some tea, and you're off to work. That's the best part of the cozy corner. You can decorate it up any way you want. It can be elaborate, it can be very small, and you know Grandma usually doesn't do big elaborate things anyway. But of course, when I say that, I do love flower arrangements, so I always put a beautiful floral design in if I can. Thank you all for stopping by. If you are not already following me, please consider it, please. We always love new family members, and we always need more love and support. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. Please stay tuned for the slideshow that's coming your way. I'm also at the end of the slideshow, there's going to be a little surprise. So if you want to see the little surprise, you need to stay tuned to the very end and see what it was I wanted to share with you. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Love you so. Take care.